Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the 4 screws on the sides of the base cover. Then remove the remaining 6 screws and pry the cover off the system. Unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the 2 screws. Unlatch and lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system and relatch it. Tighten the 2 screws. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover on the system and tighten the screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.